Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this super quick and easy Valentine's Day eyeshadow look. It looks way more complex than it is. It's super simple, I swear. But before we get started, make sure to follow me over on Instagram if you aren't already. I'll have it linked on one of these sides here. And yeah, let's just get into it. First of all, I popped this pimple here. My concealer's not going over it. I tried like baking it with powder to see if it would get in there, but nothing's sticking. And also I just brushed my teeth and I already had my lips done and I was like, oh, maybe I should brush my teeth because I forgot to do that today. I think it's because like the residue from like the toothpaste or whatever, like I tried reapplying my lip and it's just not sticking right. So if you're like, what's going on there? That's what that is. And I'll just reapply that later. So anyway, let's get into it. I'm gonna be using the, this is the Creme Shop French Kiss palette. Yeah. Just the perfect cranberry eye palette. The only thing that I will say about this palette is I wish that Charmer was a matte shade and not a metallic. That way you can use it as like a base shade, but I don't really need a base shade, like who cares? So I'm gonna be going in with, okay, so these words are in French. I'm wondering how you say, is it oi oi?
Oui, oui.
Oui, oui? Oui, oui? That cranberry matte shade in the palette, that's what I'm going with as a base. So I'm gonna be smoking out my entire crease here and probably the outer corner of my eye. I just feel like that's the best way to elongate your eye. And it's just my go-to with eyeshadows. I just feel like it looks best. And I feel like it just looks great on anybody. It's just like that really like sexy, sultry eye look that I love. What do you guys do for Valentine's Day? Do you go out or do you do anything special? I'm not a huge Valentine's Day person. I'm not somebody who really even likes flowers or anything. I'm really simple. Ruben's actually really lucky. He's so lucky he has me. But we do have a tradition that we always look forward to every year. So we just do home-cooked nachos, like it's like a big thing. But we just make nachos together. We love it. So it's just like nachos, chicken, jalapenos, extra cheese. I put black beans on the side. Ruben hates black beans. And obviously on the side, we have the guacamole, the salsa, sour cream. It's such a little thing, but I mean, nachos are my favorite. And I don't really know how it became a tradition. I think early on, we used to try to make reservations and it was always a hassle. Valentine's Day is just such a like busy day of the year when it comes to booking reservations. It's always just a hassle and everything needs to be done in like super advanced, at least for most places. And we just also noticed that the quality of everything isn't really there on Valentine's Day because they're so busy and, you know, waiters are just overworked because of how busy they are. And it's just overall kind of a miserable experience, to be honest, at least any time that we've went out. And we love going out to eat. Like that's one of our favorite things to do. I think one year we just decided to stay in and make nachos and that just became our thing, which I really like. It's just, I don't know why I'm over explaining this right now, but let me know what you guys do in the comments because I'm curious. Okay, now for the actual eyelid, I'm gonna go in with Candied. That is this guy right here. It's like an iced cranberry shade. It's pretty much the same shade, just iced and a little lighter. So I'm taking this on my fingertip because metallic shades always apply better on your finger. Although I do have nails on, so I'm gonna need to switch to a brush, but I wanna just at least stamp on as much as I can. Love this shade. I'm gonna go over top of the candied shade with XOXO, which is an iced champagne. And then I'm gonna use Paris for to clean up underneath my eyebrow. So I'm going over top of the candied shade with that champagne just to make it a little bit lighter so that you can see the variation of color a little better. Now that we have that color down, I'm just gonna go underneath my eye with that same color that we used in the crease. What was that? Wee wee? Wait, is that how you say wee wee? Wee wee. I don't know. You guys will let me know in the comments. right, and like I said, I'm taking Paris right underneath here. I'm gonna deepen in. Why do I keep saying that? I'm going to deepen the outer corner of my eye using the color Smooch, which is that dark brown in the palette. This just helps to give your eye a little bit more dimension. And then while we're at it, I think I might actually add this to the crease as well. Just the outer crease. Nothing crazy, just a little touch. All right, now that we have that down, I'm gonna go in with some glitter. So this is by Colourpop. This is the That's Hot shade. So this is Glitterly Obsessed in That's Hot. And I'm just gonna put this on the inner corner of my eye. Or maybe I won't because this is not going well. The thing that I hate about the Colourpop Glitterly Obsessed is that if you take out they usually come with like a little like plastic thing that goes over top of here to kind of seal it in. And if you throw that out by mistake, they dry out so quickly and it looks like it's not dried out, but when you go to apply it, it just doesn't stick. So let me see what else I got. You know what? I can go in with this guy by Maven Beauty. Sorry, am I back in focus? Okay. This is the Asteroid Tears in Aurora. This is by Maven Beauty. I love this. So this is, you can probably see it better from the side. This is a liquid glitter. I don't know why I just showed that, you guys can't even see it. I always swatch things in the weirdest way. I feel like I just don't have any patience. Maybe that's why. Anyway, you guys are gonna see how it looks on my eye. But I love this shade, look at this. It's just like the perfect, like iced out pink. And it's weird, it's like a pinky gold shift. The thing that I love about these liquid glitters is that you can do like a half cut crease or a full cut crease, and it makes it look like you spent a ton of time on it when it just takes you like a minute. Then you can also just tap over it. That just blends it in a little smoother so that you don't have a line. But I'm more so focusing on like the inner quarter, I guess I would say, because I don't want to do like the full thing. I like that nice like gradient of color. I've been watching that new documentary on the Cecil Hotel, and like I just keep feeling like I'm hearing things in here, and the kid next door is so freaking loud, like you can hear like the walls banging, and it's just you can never watch anything scary because you just hear sounds in these all the time, especially if you live in an apartment or a townhouse like we do. You have people on either side of you, and if you have one really noisy neighbor, it's just like, ugh, I'm constantly like, what was that? And I have to like pause when I'm watching just to like listen in. And it's just like, oh my God. I don't know why I'm so terrified too, because I've already known about this case. It came out in 2012, I believe it was, when everything happened. And I followed the case really closely, watched like every single YouTube video that I could find on it. I'm always really interested in any crime videos. So I've already know everything about the case. I know how it ends. We're only into the first episode, and I believe there are 4 episodes. But yeah, I'm still like, freaked out. Anything scary that we watch, I love scary things, but I'm like fucked up for like a week. Okay, I guess I'll do my eyeliner on camera since this is the eye look. For my eyeliner, you guys know I always love wearing winged eyeliner, so I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liner in black. It's just a regular felt tip. I always cut this part out, so I haven't even gotten the practice of doing this on camera. Also, let me just say, this felt tip from Wet n Wild has lasted a really long time. I love felt tips, but they usually run out so quickly. That's like the one downside, but this has been hanging in. Now that the eyeliner is done, I'm gonna go in with a liner in my waterline. So I'm gonna use the shade Joyride, and this is by Colourpop. This is a cream gel liner. I love these cream gel liners. I literally have them in every color, but this one is like the perfect cranberry burgundy shade. I just love matching the eyeliner with whatever eyeshadow you're using. It just blends it in so seamlessly. It's just like, you know? Right, for mascara, I'm gonna go in with this really weird one that came in a BoxyCharm. This is the Trestique mascara. It also comes with like a little lash curler on here, but I tried using that and it like doesn't work that well. But anyway, the mascara is pretty good. I'm also gonna do the lower lashes. I don't like to go too extreme with them. I have really long bottom lashes, but I don't really like the spidery look for my bottom lashes, which is funny because I like chunky lashes in general, like up top, but I just let these ones be subtle. I trimmed my eyebrow hairs down to do a Britney cosplay look, and I think now I'm just not happy with my brows, but they'll grow back. All right, now for lashes, where the heck are they? Okay, so I'm gonna be wearing, I'll show you guys the actual lashes. So I get these on Amazon. These are just wispy lashes. I'll have them linked in the description for you guys. But I have a pair that I wore recently for a look, and I tinted them with a bit of pink from like a gel pot thing. So if you see a little bit of pink to them, that's why, but it kind of goes for this look. But yeah, I love these lashes. I love cutting them and just wearing them on the ends. The wispies are where it's at. I just love thin bands, and I'm also taking off the glue right now. That's why I'm looking down. I like thin bands because they don't weigh my eyes down. I'm someone who can't handle really thick lash bands. Like my eyes get all wonky. I don't have strong eyelids though anyway. I have, is it ptosis? I forget what it's called. I think it's ptosis something. It's where the muscles are detaching on your eyelids, so that's pretty cool. But it's funny because I get some comments on Instagram talking about how my one eyebrow is always raised and it's like sassy. And I've just kind of accepted it as my sassy brow, but it's my eyelid's way of holding up my brow since like my eye's starting to droop more on this side. Anyway, I'm just coating these with some lash glue. So the one that I like is the Dark Duo Glue. I love this stuff. And it won't rip your eyelashes out. I know that a lot of people like using, is it the House of Lashes glue? I think it's the House of Lashes glue. But apparently that stuff is like cement. And I don't know why people like that, because then when you go to take it off, it just like rips out everything you have. You're like a bald eagle. But this one really hangs on throughout the day, and they're also easy to take off at night. So that's why I like it. Plus it's super cheap. Right, just gonna put these guys on. So you do want to wait about 2 minutes for them to get tacky before putting them on, or else they're not going to stick on. Like I said, I focus these on the outer corner. Oh, I just love the look of lashes on the outer corner. It just elongates your eye and just gives you such like a flirty, like feline look. I don't think I've ever made that reference before. Oh, it's always tough doing this one. So sometimes I just try to sit it on top and then I go in and pinch it. Alright guys, this was the eyeshadow look. I'm just going to top my lips off. Hopefully they're good now. Oh, I don't put some jewelry on. Okay, first of all, this is unrelated because I'm gonna put on some gold jewelry, but this necklace I used for a cosplay. I got it on Amazon, and I kind of like low-key want to wear this every day, but like look how cute this is. Oh my god. Okay. Right. And both these hoops are actually by Ana Luisa. So this video is not sponsored by them, although I have worked with them in the past, and I just love their jewelry. I wear it all the time. Pretty much anytime you see me wearing gold hoops, they're from there. They just do such a good job, and all of their jewelry is recycled, and it's really, really reasonably priced, which is great for me because I don't spend a whole lot on jewelry. I don't spend a whole lot on anything really. Although I did do some online shopping recently. What the hell? What is that? Oh, but I did do some online shopping recently. And I've been thinking of doing a haul for you guys. So if you want to see a little haul video, let me know. So I ordered some like suits from New York & Company. I ordered some things from, I believe, Misguided and Nasty Gal, which, did you guys know Nasty Gal is actually affordable now? I remember they used to be super expensive, but they also got sold to another company, didn't they? So maybe that's why? But anyway, this is the final look, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it. That really, really helps me out. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this look. This is actually something that I would wear every day. I love cranberry eye looks. I feel like they fit any occasion. It doesn't look like crazy extreme. I mean, at least for me, I wear makeup like this all the time. So maybe this might be out of somebody else's comfort zone. But I don't think this is too in your face. I think it's, I don't know. It's just like a subtle flex, you know? But the lip that I wore, I don't know if I told you guys, this is Boho by Morphe. The foundation I'm wearing is actually the new Morphe foundation. I love it. And for my contour, I used Cheekstars Reunion palette by Benefit. Love that one. I use it every day. And I think that's it, but I'll have all the products listed in the description for you guys in case you want to purchase anything. I don't make any commissions off of those links or anything. They'll be from whatever site I got them from. Actually, I think all of these were gifted, so hashtag gifted. But yeah, I'll have all the links for you guys. I don't know why I'm blabbering on. Anyway, yeah, I love you guys so much. Let me know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. I'm really curious. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see. I actually kind of wanted to switch it up a little bit. Not only do the fashion haul, because that's not totally different from my channel, but I kind of wanted to give some Instagram advice, which if you guys follow me on here, I feel like you probably know about my Instagram. I'm more relevant on Instagram. I have over 300,000 over there. I do completely different things over there. It's mainly like cosplays and cartoons. I feel like you wouldn't put two and two together if you saw me over here. You would have no idea that I'm a total weirdo on Instagram. But I've been wondering if I should start doing like some Instagram advice or Instagram updates, because I do have some behind the scenes information that I've learned from people who are actually like insiders from Instagram. But yeah, let me know if that's something that you would want to see. And I love you guys so much. I'm gonna stop blabbering. I feel like I keep thinking of other things, and yeah, I love you. Okay, bye guys.